Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. Started. Pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, on one of the pages you will find the hotspot toggle. For me it is on the first page right over here. Once you see it first time around, you want to hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here you will want to navigate to set up Wi-Fi hotspot, and I recommend starting off with the hotspot password, which will be randomly generated. Now this is not an original password, as original one will have a bunch of letters and numbers. I do recommend getting rid of the password that is generated for you and then setting up your own, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length, and that can be letters, numbers, or one of those. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing here. Once you've done so, you can then close this, find the toggle once more, and this time around simply tap on it to enable your hotspot. Once enabled, you can now connect to your hotspot with other devices and have network on them. Once you're done though, I would recommend to try and remember to turn it off, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery, so when you're done using it there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. So you can just tap on the toggle once again and this will disable it. And one other thing is, when you have your hotspot enabled, you won't be using Wi-Fi at all, as it's using the same antennas to do one of those things, and it can only do either Wi-Fi or hotspot. So when you turn on your hotspot, you'll see that the Wi-Fi turns off, and same thing when I turn off the hotspot, Wi-Fi will turn back on. And let's see in the settings, more settings. We do have a hotspot auto off option, which does mean that the hotspot will turn off automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity. I do recommend keeping that on, as like I mentioned, hotspot does consume more phone battery and also uses the same antennas as Wi-Fi. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.